Hi, I have purchased 2 bags from Saint Stag and had them monogrammed, and they are absolutely beautiful. Prior to this, I'd got myself a work bag, and it is just top quality. With it, you get a free keychain, you get their care instructions, thank you card, but everything on these bags is meticulously wrapped, and they are absolutely beautiful. I would suggest everyone to go to their website or on Etsy and check them out. You will not be disappointed. Fast delivery, great owners of the store. If you need anything, there's great communication. So please try them out and go to Saint Stag. You won't be disappointed.